Pick up a Rabbi Yaakov Bender on chinuch. Pick up The Heart of Parenting. Pick up any chinuch book. You'll see there's no anger.
Yeah.
You just follow regular chinuch until you have a spiral, a crisis. Then you have to do already different because the kids need more from you. And you have to make sure that while there's a spiral, that you don't make the kid worse. You have to be on your kid's side, because if you're not, who will? And then chas v'shalom, if it heads towards real crisis, it's usually because of something that has nothing to do with the parents. There are many different traumas, which we're not going to talk about. And there are some traumas that really rip out the nefesh of the kid, and when they get older, they really struggle and suffer. There's abuse and trauma that causes so much damage, and people don't want to. The two types of people
don't want to hear it.
Two types of people don't want to hear it. People who never went through it, and people who did go through it, and they had resilience. But not everybody is resilient, and there are people suffering. I met with somebody recently. He has everything in this world. He's married. He has kids. He has money. Sugat and salat. He has everything in this world. And he's in so much pain. So much pain because what happened. So let it go. That PTSD does not mean that you don't want to let go of the trauma. It means the trauma doesn't want to let go of you. You have to go for trauma therapy. And that's why there's so many people looking for some kind of quick fix. Some people are looking for psychedelics. Some people are looking. And someone asked me, what do I think about it? And I said, I think I have to daven more for so many people that need this stuff. And if you don't need it, thank Hashem that you're in imagine living in a world where so many people are dying of physical illness and you're healthy. Thank Hashem. If so many people are suffering emotionally and you're not, don't start looking down at people and deciding that, and what are you doing that? Say, thank you, Hashem. I should never know, and keep your mouth closed.
You had this person in your place on that Monday night,
right.
And he was mentioning something mind-boggling. He was a kid, and he was saying that he was abused, and he was telling the Rosh Hashivas or the Melamda or whatever, and they took him to a shul, opened up and
I think that this stuff doesn't happen anymore. That was, like he said, 20 years ago.
They made him.
I can't imagine.
They couldn't believe. They didn't want to believe him. They made him swear on the side for Torah. You're talking about a young child who was traumatized.
Yeah,
had to fight for his story.
Yeah, I don't like to judge those people either, because it was like it was like the Dark Ages.
Right.
It's like I feel like there was a dark cloud over us for about 30 years, and now it's lifting, and people are becoming the way we should always be,
more
sensitive, aware, non-judgmental. Right. 25 to 30 years ago, it was a different world. People, I'm sure that Rebbe today would do things different. I am so spoiled from the young Rebbeim.
Yeah. They want to learn. They want to know.
When I do training for parents, I do a 2-day training for the parents that they need the prescription, which is the letter from their Das Torah to come to me. I do 12 hours on Monday, 12 hours on Tuesday.
Wow.
Straight. Ritzifus.
Wow.
We break from Mincha, that's it. You eat during the day, sneak out if you have to take it, whatever. 12 hours Monday, Tuesday, because they come in crisis and they have to leave with a totally different vision to understand how to go home and help save their kids' lives, It is. And they don't talk. It's very interesting. But because I'm doing it anyway, I open it up to therapists. I've had several hundred therapists come in for the 2 days to up their skills and awareness and understanding. It's beautiful. And machanchim. Regular parents can't come. Parents are only, even if they're in minor crisis, there's other people I refer to. But the parents in severe crisis, severe crisis means kids off the derech. That's the opening. And then, unfortunately, more and more and more, there's so much emotional pain and drugs and cutting and all kinds of violence and all kinds of stuff.